let's move on to your
Sure.
third pick. We had candy, we had housing, and now on to another major staple,
Yep.
healthcare.
Yeah. Yeah, it's UnitedHealth Group, and healthcare stocks are sort of evergreen stock. Everybody needs health insurance. We're seeing the demand for health insurance go up, certainly not down. UnitedHealth Group is one of the largest companies by market capitalization. They're just also just a huge healthcare network. Almost anybody that has a healthcare policy in some way or another, UnitedHealth Group touches it. Um, they've been growing their dividend by 14.7% on an annualized rate in the last 3 years. One of the tailwinds for this company is they just recently acquired LHC Group. And the significance of that is that it's moving UnitedHealth Group more into the home healthcare arena. And this is an area where there's been a lot of buzz about this because we're seeing obviously the baby boomer generation is now well into the retirement years. They're getting to that point where you might be looking at you need extended care, you need a little bit more of assisted living areas, and that's something that we don't have the infrastructure in as a country yet, but we're building it. And companies like LHC Group were on the forefront of that. Now United Health Group is getting in on that as well. So I think that's going to be a big tailwind for their business. This is again a stock that it's not necessarily a flashy stock, but it's one that it it hits in an area where all Americans need to be in, and it's just a solid stock for investors.
Yeah, absolutely. As you said, it's one of those largest healthcare companies in the country.
Yep.
Everyone's heard of it. Do you think there's any other environmental, economic factors that could impact the future success of this stock? Or is this just an essential item that's going to continue to grow?
Right now, I can't foresee anything happening that would prevent this company from growing. I mean, I think you'd have to have some sort of radical shift in public policy that would be unfavorable to private insurers, and I just can't see that happening. So right now, I think again, if you're an investor, you want to take what the market gives you, and right now the market has been giving you healthcare, especially for the last 10 to 15 years.
Well, thank you very much for the rundown, Chris, of three stocks that are giving really great dividend growth year over year. You can find more of the details in Chris's article. We've got that linked here. Comment with your thoughts. We'd love to hear what you think about any of these companies or about dividend growth in general. Thanks again for joining us here on Market Beat Media. As always, happy investing.